Welcome back. Now, vendors of HGPDA Market Madgaon are awaiting relief from the newly elected government. After the failure of Congress government to solve their long-pending demands, vendors are looking forward for development and improvement in market infrastructure.
Have a look at the SGPDA market in Madgaon. This market is engulfed with garbage menace, wastewater, encroachment on pathways, and no drinking water. The garbage lies here for days together uncollected. After failure of Congress government to solve the issue, vendors are now looking forward to the newly elected BJP government.
न्यू बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंट येयले तांकां मातशें रिक्वेस्ट करता आमगे हिंगा जायते प्रॉब्लम बाजारात हिंगा पिवपाक उदक ना हिंगा सामके सांजचे म्हणल्यार फूल मॉस्किटो आसता आनी हिंगा रावपा जायना हिंगा आनी 10 वरां जाले गटर अजून क्लीन केलें ना आनी जायते फाटी इलेक्शनाक कोण कोण मिनिस्टर येता तो सांगता हिंगा फॅसिलिटी दिता म्हूण काय ना हिंगा पार्किंग प्रॉब्लम आहा सगळे आनी बिजनेस सारके करपाक दिना हिंगा सिक्युरिटी ना फोर्स ना आनी राती हिंगा चोरी बी जाता हिंगा एक फाटी आनी हिंगा आमगे कोण फेडरेशन बी काय ना हिंगा आमगे लिडर कोण ना बेश्टे लावारीच भाशेन मार्केट आमगे आनी एसपीडी बी काय आमकां करना.
Bombay High Court had instructed the SGPDA market and Madgaon municipality to set the things in order within 60 days. But seems like authorities are busy solving their own issues. We contacted the member secretary of SGPDA Rajesh Naik, but he refused to comment. However, off the camera, he informed us that the government has still not appointed a new committee for the market. Our reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Now, news from sports. Former Goa Ranji coach Raghuram Bhatt is back to work under the Goa Cricket Association. Bhatt had resigned under a thick cloud of controversy just before the Ranji campaign kicked off. However, the former India spinner is back as the GCS spinners coach and not to take over from Vivek Kolamkar. Bhatt is not interested in dwelling on the circumstances that surrounded when he was apparently asked to leave the team.
The circumstances you had left under were very cloudy, were very controversial. It was the middle of the pre-season. Goa was shaping up to have a fantastic pre-season time. In that circumstances, you've come back again now. What prompted you to come back?
No, this is what I said. No, see, I have seen the spinners throughout other states. I have seen the spinners other way around. But I felt, here the spinners are. I feel that the talent is more, little extra talent they have got. So why not nourish them and bring them to one level? That's what I thought of, because I am attached with Goa cricket from a long time.
The offer was there that time when you were asked to step down from the position as Goa coach to come back as the leg spinners coach. You had said no that time. But again, I'll ask you the same thing. Then what made you change your mind on that decision?
No, it's only just, I just want to take the Goa. No, nothing. I just left. But that's all over. That is become a history by itself. So, thing is, I just want to see how I can, along with the team of the coaches here, the coaches here, I want to take the Goa cricket forward. See, that's something does well for Goa cricket. That's what my aim is. Let me see what best I'm going to put my 200% effort this time. Past is past. All it has become a history by itself. Let's not talk about what has happened earlier, 5 months back or 1 year back. I think you people, the media, all form of media should should help us in build a new cricketing atmosphere and make sure that.
Very rightly said. So what in that circumstances, what will be your plan for Goa cricket, especially the spinners department, since you're here as the spin coach?
Actually, I'm very happy that the president and the committee have reposed the faith in me. The first thing I want to thank them, because they have the faith in me to call me back. First thing. The next is, the issue is now under 14 camp is going to start in a couple of days, and then this is a new bunch which you are going to start. This camp may be for about 1.5 months. We have already started. Yesterday we started taking the shooting, the video shoot of all the spinners, and then from today onwards, I think in the afternoon we are going to sit and sort out what is the problem area for the spinners.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvoori.
Sarvodaya Royals, needing an outright win to confirm their berth in the finals, are 91 for 6 in reply to GCA Stars 132 all out. The match is poised at an interesting juncture with a high possibility of a result either way. Meanwhile, at Bitspilani in Vasco, Dempo Cricket Club had put up a towering total in excess of 400 in their final GPL 3-day tie. GSA could not get closer to that total, and as a result Dempo are second on the table with 10 points.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.